In this tutorial, I am going to show you how we can install Microsoft Office based free alternative, and it's called WPS Office. So I'm going to show you how you can install WPS Office on Windows step by step from the very beginning. So first of all, just open any browser, and in the browser search for WPS Office and press enter. And here you can see wps.com. So you need to click here, and here you can see free download option. So you need to click on free download, and it will download a exe file. There you can see, and it will take a few seconds to download, and it's done. So when the download is complete, you just need to double click on the downloaded file, and it will show you something like this. So here you need to check this. I have read the agreement, then click on install now. So it will start installing WPS Office. So it will also show you how long it will take. So it will take around 7 to 8 minutes to install. So right now I'll just fast forward the video, and there you can see installation is done. So when the installation is done, it will automatically open WPS Office. So we can just close this, and here you will see a lot of option. Here you can see new option. You can open PDFX, Excel sheet file, then PPTX, which is special. So let's go and open docs. So here you can blank option, and there you can see also design file as well. So if I now click on blank, it will open the doc file, and here let's go to the home, and let's open slide, which is presentation. Let's click on blank, and there you can see. So here you can make any kind of design just like Microsoft Office. So this is how you can install WPS Office, which is the best alternative of Microsoft Office, and you can basically do everything that you can do inside Microsoft Office. So yeah, this is how you can install WPS Office on Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.